Yung dalawa doon sa likod.
Some of our friends are still inside. One now.
JR,
1, 2, 3. This is it. Good to go. You're good. Yes.
I'm excited.
I'm just gonna take a video.
Pag-landing na niya.
How's everyone?
Good. How are you doing?
Let's go.
May tunog.
This is it. Welcome to Grand Hotel Tauro.
Is more than a stay. It is the beginning of an unforgettable journey to Tenerife.
Sea view. Sayang.
Rediscover Tenerife.
Di pwede yung babas?
Grand Hotel Tauro.
Ooh.
Surrounded by the lush greenery of gardens and overlooking the Atlantic Ocean, lies a legendary landmark with the most breathtaking views. Welcome to Grand Hotel
Like that
Tauro,
machine.
an iconic destination. We invite you to dream and explore from Spain's first luxury Grand Hotel, a 19th century establishment that you step into a world of refined elegance and outstanding service. Here, every space is thoughtfully designed to blend the colonial architecture with modern sophistication and comfort.
May pachinela siya. Nice. Oh.
For serene relaxation, this luxury urban resort promises to excel in transportation.
Oh, Daddy, may pa-bathrobe.
It is the beginning of an unforgettable journey to the heart. Whether you are drawn by the promise of culinary
Pina siya.
delights, the allure of historical charm, or the desire for serene relaxation, this luxury urban resort promises to exceed every expectation. Grand Hotel Tauro Hotel Taro is a unique gateway to the island's hidden treasures. We invite you to dream and explore from Spain's first luxury Grand Hotel, a 19th century establishment that used to
Bah.
host European royalty,
Felisa.
aristocracy, and a